Today I got a different kind of audio product, the boAt Airdopes ProGear. These are not your typical true wireless earbuds. It is called OWS or Open Wireless Stereo, and they don't block your ear canals. In today's video, let's have a look at it and see if it's worth buying. This is the retail box of boAt Airdopes ProGear, so let's have a quick look at the unboxing to find out the inbox content. You get the OWS, a charging cable, manuals and a few stickers. This is boAt Airdopes ProGear. You get a bulky charging case because it needs to fit big earbuds. The charging case has a transparent cover with a magnetic lock. Although it may feel weak, but it is quite rigid. I think it can survive accidental drops easily. There is also a notification LED at the front and a Type-C port on the right side for charging. OWS buds are larger than TWS buds because they fit around the ear and require hooks to stay there. It is made of plastic and a matte finish gives it a premium feel. On the outer part, there is a notification LED and boAt branding. This is also the touch sensitive area to control music playback and calls. Single tap to play and pause music or accept calls. Double tap on the right for the next track and double tap on the left for the previous track. A long tap on the right bud puts it into the beast mode for gaming, and a long tap on the left activates voice assistant. Although touch controls work fine, there is a slight delay that feels irritating in the beginning until you get used to it. The fit is really comfortable and secure. Once the ProGear is fitted to your ears, it stays there without any discomfort to the point where you might even forget you are wearing them. ProGear is excellent for people who are into sports and workouts. You get a really comfortable experience and buds will never fall no matter how intense your activity gets. The IPX5 rating also ensures that buds can survive water splashes. The boAt Airdopes ProGear offers a unique listening experience with its Air Conduction Technology. This ensures you can enjoy your music without blocking your ear canals. Buds pack 15mm drivers and offer a good sound. The sound feels balanced and natural with priorities to mid-range and high frequencies over deep bass. I tested them across various genres and found the audio quality to be consistently good, especially while watching movies and videos. Due to the open ear design, it cannot offer the same level of bass as in TWS. The lack of a sealed environment prevents the buildup of bass, so people who prioritize punchy bass should look elsewhere. This is not the right product for them. If you are in a crowded environment with too much ambient noise, the noise will easily manage to get into your ears, and that's the reason people prefer OWS, to be aware of their surroundings while listening to music. Sound leakage is also a problem with OWS. People sitting close to you can also listen to what you are listening to. There is also a beast mode that enables 40ms low latency for better gaming experience. This works fine and the drop in latency is noticeable. It also has a quad mic setup with AI environmental noise cancellation to reduce ambient noise for clear calling experience. The calling experience is good and the environmental noise cancellation does a good job. boAt promises 100 hours of total music playback time, but that's just a claim. During my testing, I was getting around 60 to 65 hours of playtime. That's still much better than most TWS of this price segment. boAt Airdopes ProGear is a good product for people looking for OWS. It is light in weight and offers a balanced sound. The long battery life is a major plus. However, the sound quality is not comparable to TWS of this price segment. It will also disappoint people looking for punchy bass and isolated music. If you don't care about TWS or OWS, I recommend a TWS for better sound. Now it depends on your need whether you want TWS or OWS. That's it for this video. If you still have anything to ask, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.